You'd like to order a pizza or?
Yes. The delivery address is Buffalo, New York, Avonmore 123. That will be all. Thank you.
Perfect. Bye bye. Yeah, it's Thomas. Yeah, I'll be right there. Thanks. So we got a pizza right here. It's that easy. If you want to order pizza in 2025 by AI, just watch the video. Hey guys, so in today's video we'll be looking at MCP. What MCP stands for is Modal Context Protocol. We'll look into it pretty soon. But before we do, as you could see, we ordered an actual pizza to our office base just through AI, which is pretty mind-blowing. It's actually insane that you can order pizza that easily just by prompting you're hungry and you want a pizza delivered as soon as possible to your place. What Modal Context Protocol actually is. The MCP is actually a way how to communicate in between your software and LLM that you're using, so you can actually automate making AI agents or some other tasks that you can come up with. But in today's video, we'll be looking at how you can order pizza easily just by prompting an easy prompt. ElevenLabs launched their MCP just yesterday. You're able to communicate with ElevenLabs just through prompting on a Claude or Cursor, which we'll be looking at in today's video. Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. Right now we are in GitHub, specifically in the ElevenLabs MCP documentation. Here you have the general information about the MCP. You can read through more here. In today's video we'll be prompting through the Cursor. You only download this file over here. Once you actually go through the process of installing the ElevenLabs MCP to your computer, the important thing is that it's running on your local computer. It actually gets the information and will be adjusting the documentation right in the files, which we'll look into soon. But here, if you actually haven't used any GitHub source before, you need to install it. We'll link a video in our description where there is a guide of actually installing the file into your computer, so we can actually work with the MCP right here. Once you actually have it installed in your computer, you go to Cursor, which we'll be using today. You just upload the documentation that you downloaded to your computer. Yeah, you just import it here. Once you import it, the crucial part is to go to settings right here, and you'll go to Cursor settings right here, MCP, and here, right here at this button, you'll be importing the MCP JSON. So here you can see the only thing you'll actually need is your ElevenLabs API key. So if you haven't been logged in to ElevenLabs before, and if you haven't heard about it, it's actually the best software out there right now for voice AI, and we'll be using the ElevenLabs MCP to actually connect it with the LLM, so we can easily prompt the pizza delivery. So once you logged in ElevenLabs, you go to conversational AI. We have interface right here. The key part is getting the API key. So you just go to your account, API keys, and as you can see, I have already some API keys created, but we'll create a new one right here. You name it pizza, or for whatever use case you want to use it. Then you easily just copy the API key and you put it right here in the Cursor settings of the JSON. We actually have our API key from ElevenLabs already imported. Please keep your API key locked somewhere just for yourself, because through the API key you actually communicate with the software, so if it's not used properly, someone can just use your account and have some extra minutes, which we don't want. Once you have it imported, you might have also struggled with the command right here. This is the local file where your data from the ElevenLabs MCP is actually stored. You just need to go to terminal to get this information, but make sure to look at the documentation because it's actually perfectly explained on the whole page. If you have some troubleshootings, as you can see here, the MCP errors here as well. So don't worry about it, it's pretty easy. So you just copy this JSON right here, insert your API key, make sure your command is correct. Once you imported your API key and you have your command ready as well, we just press Command L if you're on a Mac, and we'll start prompting the actual agent so we can get our pizza delivered to our place. Create a voice agent that Alright guys, so we just created the prompt. It says create a voice agent that orders a pizza to our office. We want a pizza called The Crown and have it delivered to Buffalo, New York, Evanmore 123. We want to pay at the door by cash. The phone number to the pizza place is blah 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 blah. Alright, it's actually my phone number, so you can actually hear the conversation, but in your use case you'll just put the number of your pizza place or whatever food delivery you wish. In case you don't want to be this specific, you can create the prompt by saying, hey, just choose the nearest pizza place and call them. But I recommend you to put some more details in it so you actually know what you're ordering. But if you want to experiment with AI, go ahead. So we have my phone number over there, and we'll test it right now. We'll start with creating the agent right here. It should ask us for a permission. As you could see, it generated the agent, and we just need to confirm to continue. Also, a key information that I didn't mention before is that you need your phone numbers connected to your ElevenLabs account, so you know it can actually call from some number. It's pretty easy, just from Twilio import phone number right here. So yes, we actually confirm to list the phone numbers. Yes, so right now we can just press run tool and it should make the outbound call to make the actual delivery to our place. One more thing guys, you can actually go to ElevenLabs right here and check if the pizza order agent has been created, which has been. If you look right here, it's actually prompted pretty well, and we'll test it right now. Alright guys, so I have the phone ready, and we'll see if it actually calls or not.
Hello, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Okay, you'd like to order a pizza or?
Yes, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
And what pizza would you like to order?
I'd like to order the Crown Pizza.
Great, and what's the address of the delivery?
The delivery address is Buffalo, New York, Avonmore 123.
And you'll be paying by cash or by card?
I'll be paying in cash upon delivery.
Okay, and do you have some specific time of delivery in mind?
No, I don't have a specific time in mind. Could you please tell me the estimated delivery time?
Yeah, it should be there in about 30 minutes. Alright, is that all? Or can I help you with something else?
No, that will be all.
Perfect. Bye-bye. So guys, it worked? Yeah, it's that easy. It's obviously just one use case for the MCP, but you can build a demos for your clients. You can actually create a voice saying something that you'd like, so you could just download the audio afterwards to your computer. So there are many use cases which you can play with in the LLM. Communication with the MCP is just mind-blowing, as you could just seen. Alright guys, I think we'll wrap it right here. If you found this video useful and you think we could help you with building your agent to your business, or if you're starting an AI automation business and you would like some consultation, make sure to check out our website and potentially book a call with us so we can help you out. Please make sure to put some comments of your use cases that you might think might be useful with the MCP, and we'll be happy for any likes and other comments. Please share the video if you found it valuable, and we'll see you in the next video soon.